And this is Steve Nomura. We just closed one deal, and this was an estate sale. Okay, one of the heirs, friend of mine, he asked me to buy their house, and then I just closed the deal. This is a little bit distressed property, therefore I'm gonna do a serious rehab project. Maybe I'm gonna flip this deal. It takes maybe almost 1 year, but anyway, this is gonna be very exciting. Another project. I just came from the closing at the title company, and this is the south side of Chicago. And okay, I'm inside of the property, and I bought this property from somebody I knew. Okay, she's one of the heirs. Their parents owned this house for years, and they passed away unfortunately. And then this was the estate sale, and then she asked me to buy this house, and they just closed this deal. She's a Cassandra. Okay. Hi, Cassandra.
Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Okay, she's one of the heirs. How many heirs you have?
It was 7 of us.
Seven or two.
7 of
Okay,
us.
it's closed. Then profit gonna be distributed among them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how many years you have lived here?
I lived here my whole life, from the time I was 6 months old until I moved out when I got married in 23.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have lots of memory in this house.
Lots of memories in this house. This is my childhood home. I just did everything
Right,
here.
right. Yeah, okay, right. Anyway, I'm so pleased to buy this house. Okay. I'm gonna make a nice house. I'm gonna explain a little bit how we're gonna do this project. Okay, we are in the living room right now, and then living dining. Then my back there's a kitchen and bath. We're gonna demolish entire first floor anyway. Okay, nothing. Okay, we're gonna demolish entire house. Then in the first floor, okay, we're gonna demolish entire house, and we're gonna make a big living dining, and then we're gonna see kitchen, and then from this wall to the end of the house, that's gonna be entire kitchen. On the right side, and we're gonna make 2 little bigger bedrooms, 1 full bath, and then stairs to the second floor, and then basement gonna be on this side. Then we're gonna make a dormer on the second floor. Then we're gonna make one big master bed in a huge bathroom and a huge living bedroom. Then another bedroom and then another bathroom on the second floor. The basement also, there's a huge basement space. We're gonna make a big family space, 1 bedroom and then 1 full bath, utility room and then laundry room. It's gonna be a gorgeous house. It takes maybe 1 year from the beginning to the end. Anyway, it's gonna be a very nice house. I'm gonna try to surprise her how to transform this house. All right, thank you very much. I'm gonna give you more progress from time to time. Thank you, Cassandra.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.